I love making something out of nothing. I'm not trained, but I am brave and determined. Of course, I could hire a professional, but DIY first.
Cutty cuts. Time to cut up.
Yep.
Time to cut up.
Like this. Can't get it on there just exactly. Just get it on there.
Let's put it on there now then.
That should cover up this little gap over here. So I'm gonna label each cabinet and each door and each hinge, so we know where it came from to put them back. I'm gonna use this garment rack to try to use it kind of like a drying rack for the doors. Corey's gonna spray them, so as he sprays them, we can hook them onto this so they can dry, and he can go ahead and paint both sides of them at the same time. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this together and then put the hooks into the doors so they can hang up.
Inside.
My little technique is tape it on the inside and leave some hanging over. And then you can either just stick paper or plastic to this and that'll seal off the inside. And see how that works.
Paint one down.
First coat done?
First coat down.
Okay, I'm almost through. I would be through, but I forgot to bring a paint tray, so I had to make one.
You got to do what?
I forgot to bring a paint tray,
Mm-hmm.
so I had to make one.
Yeah.
That's the top of the old toilet.
Girl, see, you've been around me too long.
Yeah, that's in the diagram.
You gotta learn how to use your environment to your advantage.
I tried to use styrofoam and made a mess, so I was like, okay, that ain't working. I'm gonna figure something else out. But yeah, I'll be done now. Let's go see. You gonna leave them outside to dry or bring them in?
I'm gonna leave them outside. Destructo!
You are silly. I'm trying to see, do I need to take this wood up?
Yeah, but the floor is not repaired right there.
I'm gonna snatch it up because I don't feel like that's right either.
That
It's
he was
still
just trying to cover up the floor where he broke it. I said, when you gonna repair the floor?
Right.
That's his way of repairing the floor. Wood over top of it.
I'm gonna snatch it up too. Boxes look pretty good, right?
Yep. Oh yeah. I was looking at them earlier. I said, hey, that's looking nice. This is right.
So I guess we can take this stuff out.
Yep.
So the height this way, I think when I measured it was like 4 feet, which is, this is 4 feet this way. So what I'm gonna do is, whichever wall we're gonna start with, I'm gonna measure this way, the length of it, and then we'll do the same marking here and cut it and then stick it to the wall. Now before we do that, we should like mark where the studs are up above there so we can know exactly where to screw into. And then also, yesterday I bought these drywall setter bits. So this is what we'll screw with, and this keeps the screw from going in too deep.
Okay.
Because you want the
Into the
drywall.
drywall.
Because you want the you don't want the screw to go through the paper.
Okay.
So this is supposed to keep it from going in too deep. So I got two drills here with these on there. Got drywall screws. So once we get all the drywall up, then we can go back and mud and tape it. I don't know how much time we got left, but we'll just see how far we can get. And I'm gonna go ahead and close that hole up where that mirror was too, because I'm just gonna put a regular mirror in here.
Okay.
And probably put a medicine cabinet in the other side. That's it. We supposed to have protective gear. Really hard to film in here, ain't it?
It's small, but we make way.
Yeah. Let's see how we.
Bam.
Did I get it?
You got it. Don't play no games up in here. Play with who? Play with who?
Play with your nanny.
Oh, what I'm talking about.
Look at that. Measure twice, cut once. I guess they knew something.
No, it's real now.
It's a real, it's a thing, as you say.
It's a thing.
It's a thing.
It really is a thing. I decided I'm gonna do silicone on the edges and on these things here, and that should like stick the countertop down.